All right, so here's Revenge of the Bird Poo 2. The last video I did on cleaning up the bird poo on the one car was pretty straightforward. This one is pretty bad. It was a friend of mine. He came to visit and he was here for the weekend. We took off for the weekend. It was really hot here in San Diego. Well, a black crow decided to destroy the hood of his car basically and just let loose. And we were gone for a couple days, so the bird droppings actually, a couple of them actually etched into the clear coat. He wasn't too happy, but me being the good guy, I volunteered to fix them up and of course capture it all on video just for you guys. The things I do for you guys, the things my friends do for you guys. So anyway, here you go. This was really bad, so we actually had to use a safety sand, my safety sand component that's in the Ultimate Car Scratch Remover, because these droppings actually etched into the clear coat. So I've got some really good video for you, so follow along. Okay, so first thing we're going to do is clean off this bird dew on here. This hood is really dirty, but we're just going to do a spot clean here. So you can see this is really loosening up. This is what we want. You don't want to scrub any of this. You almost just want to put your finger on there just to make sure it comes loose. We'll just kind of dab this up. Don't rub it. Birds have all kinds of nasty things that they eat. So it could be gravel and sand in there. So spray this again. Once again, just kind of dab at it. Now we're going to clean this section right here so we can get a little bit better look at this. And this hood's really dirty, so just be really careful with this. Slightly pull that across. You can see what's left here. This bird dropping actually etched into this black car. So we can actually see here that the bird dropping is actually etched into the paint. Black cars, summertime, it's not unusual for damage to happen like this within a few hours of the bird dropping actually drying on the paint. Safety sand, and the safety sand goes like this. So 3500 grit latex abrasive, wet and dry abrasive, goes on just like that, nice and flexible. Okay, so we've got the safety sand and Purple Glide 1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, 1005. I'm going to do this one more time. You can see this nicely burnished right now. 1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, 1005. Next we've got Totally Bitchin' Scratch Remover and the blue microfiber towel. I'm going to shake it up just a little bit. We're going to go in back and forth motions here. You can do a little bit of a circular motion just to pull the formula back in.
We keep our effort really concentrated just on the burnished area. Do one more application, Totally Bitchin' Scratch Mover, since we did 2 applications of the safety sand. If you only did 1 application of the safety sand for 5 seconds, 9 times out of 10 you only need 1 application of Totally Bitchin' Scratch Remover polish. On black cars it really shows up a lot, so sometimes the 2 applications with the safety sand just followed up quickly with Totally Bitchin' Scratch Remover twice. Next we'll use Evening Glass Glaze in the blue microfiber towel. Just shake it up and then find a clean place on your microfiber towel. This doesn't actually take any scratches out. It just brings out the deep luster of the paint, and it'll take out any super microfine scratches that are left by just the polish itself. And finally, we're going to seal the paint up with Sacred Shine Sealant. It's an acrylic polymer. It's the tiniest amount. For this small area, you don't need hardly anything at all. We'll put it on in a circular motion. We'll let this haze for a minute or 2. Okay, so we'll check this. We'll just take our finger. If it comes off clean like that with a quick wipe, that's it.
All right, so there you have it. Nothing to it. With the Ultimate Car Scratch Remover system, you've got all the components to do all sorts of scratch removal, bird poo removal. So anyway, hopefully that helped out, and I hope this doesn't ever happen to you, but if it does, you'll be prepared. And that's it for now, and I'll see you on the next video.